The healthiest cooking oil is the oil which is, the kachi ghani oil, which is the Indian traditional cold pressed or the virgin oil that our country has always seen. So that's the healthiest cooking oil that you can give to yourself. It could be groundnut oil, it could be sesame, it could be mustard, or it could be the coconut oil. So, and the best way to get it is, of course, you can buy the nuts, you can buy the seeds, and you can give it to a local ghani wala, a local small miller, and he will just crush the seeds for you, press it for you, and just filter it and give it to you. But if that sounds too difficult at this moment for you to do, then you can just look out for oils on which filtered kachi ghani or cold pressed, any of these words are there on the label. But make sure that you are cooking with these traditional oil seeds, and do not go for olive oil, or do not go for a rice bran oil, because of multiple reasons. Firstly, whenever we are using olive oil, it doesn't blend with our Indian cuisine, so it doesn't go with the taste and the method of cooking. Olive oil also has a very lower smoking point, which means that at a higher cooking temperature, which usually Indian cuisines have, they will go toxic much earlier than compared to our native oil seeds. So, the best way to, ensure that we are having oil which is at their healthiest, which is not getting toxic or rancid at a higher cooking temperature, is to choose oils which are coming from traditional oil seeds, which is peanuts, coconut, sesame, and mustard.